was that? Nothing. ¿Cómo que nada? Ok, chica, vamos a empezar con putting on your socks. Ahora. Mamá. Okay, now, Viva Peru. Para de moverte, señorita. Stop, stop. Okay, and last thing. La temperatura. Ow, ow, mommy. What are you trying to do? Take my temperature or kill me? Bueno, no fever. Yet. Vámonos, señorita. Arrest. No, mommy, it's fine. My water just went through the wrong tube.